So let's install PHP just to make sure it's available on your local computer so you can learn it or experiment. So we're going to install Xampp. So hey, this is Richard Nazar. So what you do is you go to apachefriends.org, and you go down and you click the button that corresponds to your system, be it Windows, Linux. In my case, I'm a Mac snob, and I click on OS X. And it'll take you here. You'll eventually see something come up there. And OS X, here you pick the FAQ for your system. It'll tell you how to install it. And there we see that thing go up there. And here I'm going to click on OS X FAQs. And then you click on how do I install Xampp. And it tells you what to do. Okay. It's pretty straightforward. So here it's downloaded now, and now you just install it as per the instructions they gave you. Now what I like to do, I like to make sure that my directories are doing what I want. So the location of where you put your website varies. In this case, it is under htdocs. I prefer to make a shortcut to it. Okay, so then I can just click on the shortcut to go into it. And what I prefer to do is I put everything by project. So I would make make a folder with my project, and below it I'd have my website. And let's see here, what else we got. Okay, so I can go on back up here. What I like to do is make sure I've got the I want to make sure I've got the permission set for my folders. So here we are. I'm going to go CD. I'm just going to go. Again, this is very system specific. I've got a Mac, so. Okay. So I'm just going to show you. htdocs is right there. See? I want to set as permissions. So just there we go. All right. I do want to show you one more detail. So I'm starting it up. I've got to authorize it. And so now I'm going to click on Manage Servers, and I'm going to start them. And now they're started. And so now to go to them, I would go to http://localhost. And here it goes to the dashboard. And if you want to see if it's working, it's got Apache, MariaDB, PHP. I don't do anything with Perl. And here, this means that PHP, Apache, and PHPMyAdmin are working, and of course, MariaDB. Okay. And now, if I wanted to go to my project, it would be for go to http://localhost. And I would go to the project directory, whatever I named it. And if I went there, it would run my project, assuming I have like an index.php file. I have nothing there right now, so I'm not going to. But if I had a project set up, this is where I'd go. So to stop Xampp, you click on Stop All, you wait till they say stopped, and then you can quit the application. And there you have it. That is how to install Xampp on your system. Make sure everything's set up. I used Mac for mine, but the other ones are very similar. I'm assuming you're somewhat familiar with your operating systems that you use. And so now, we've now got PHP and MariaDB, and of course Apache on our computer systems. Xampp's very useful because it works on all three systems very, very well.